Google has released a new game changer named Gemma-3. This LLM is a new version of Gemma. In this video, we're gonna go over Gemma-3 and then take a look at how to use this model with Hugging Face and Ollama. Gemma-3 models are multi-model. This means that models can work with text, images and videos. Awesome, right? It also has 128 key context window with more than 140 language support. You can use it in 1 billion, 4 billion, 12 billion and 28 billion parameter sizes. I'm excited to include a 1 billion parameter version in Gemma-3. In addition, Gemma-3 is designed to run fast. This means that you can use it on your laptop and even your smartphones. Plus, these models allow you to implement tasks such as question answering, summarizing and reasoning. Cool, right? You can also fine-tune Gemma-3 with the LoRa technique. This means that you can easily adapt it for your tasks. In summary, the three main improvements in Gemma-3 compared to Gemma-2 are context length, multimodality, multilinguality. The good news is that Gemma-3 is supported by popular frameworks like Transformers, JAX, Keras and PyTorch. As always, you can use the Gemma-3 models with the Hugging Face and Ollama platforms. Let me show you how to use the model with Hugging Face. To do this, let's go to our collab. First, let's install the Transformers library. We're gonna use the pip install command. Let's write pip install. After that, let me pass the GitHub repo of the library to install the latest version. Let me run this cell. You can find this link in the description below. Cool, our library is ready. Let me say that the easiest way to get started with Gemma-3 is to utilize the pipeline in Transformers. To show this, let's import the torch and pipeline. Import torch and then let's write from Transformers import pipeline. Let's go ahead and create a pipeline. Let's write pipe equals pipeline. Our task is to convert an image to text. Let me set this task. Image text to text. Next, we're gonna pass the model. Model equals, let's set Google Gemma-3 4B it. If you want, you can use the other version of Gemma-3. After that, let's set the device. Device equals, let me pass CUDA. Don't forget to set GPU for your collab by clicking here. Okay, lastly, let's set the torch D type. The models work best using the bfloat16 data type. Let's set torch D type torch.bfloat16. Let me run this cell. Cool, our pipe is ready to run. Yeah, our model is starting to be installed. It's done. Awesome, our model is ready to use. What we're gonna do now is create our message. Let's say messages equals. The first thing we're gonna do is set the role. We're gonna pass user. Next, let's create the content. After that, what we're gonna do is set the data type. Let's pass image. To give an image, let's write URL. The next thing we're gonna do is pass the link to our image. Here is the image we'll use. We wanna convert this image to text. Let me pass the link. Now, let's set the text type. Let's set type. Let's pass text. Now, we're gonna set the text. Let's write which animals is in the picture and can you describe it? Let me run this cell. we got an error. Let me add the comma here. After that, we're gonna run this cell again. We got an error. We must use curly brackets here. Let's run this cell again. Awesome. Our message is ready to use. What we're gonna do now is create a pipe. Let's say output equals, let's call our pipe. Let's set the text parameter. Text equals, let's pass our messages variable. Messages. Next, let's set the maximum token. Max new tokens equals, let's say 200. Let me run this cell. Okay, our output is ready. Let's take a look at the text. To do this, we're gonna use print method. Let's set output. Let's select the 0 component. Let's select generated text. Let's pass 1 and then let's see content. Finally, let me run this cell. Here you go. The main animal in the picture is a cat. As you can see, the model described the image based on our text. Cool, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at how to use Gemma-3 with Ollama. Ollama is a great tool that allows you to work with language model locally. To use this tool, first download it here and install it on your computer. Next, let's open your terminal and have a look at the Ollama version. Ollama version. There you go. Ollama is ready to go. To install Gemma-3, we're gonna use the pull command. Let's write Ollama pull Gemma-3. There you go. I have already downloaded this model. By default, Ollama downloads the 4 billion parameter. You can also download and use the other side of the Gemma model by specifying a parameter size. For example, for 1 billion parameters, you can use Ollama run Gemma-3 1b. We can see the downloaded models. To do this, we can use the list command. Ollama list. Let's go ahead and run the Gemma model. Let me write Ollama run Gemma-3. The model is up and running. Easy, right? Let's say, tell me a short joke about the computer. There you go. Here you can see the answer. Why did the computer cross the road? To get to the other side. Byte. Awesome, right? Yeah, that's it. In this video, we covered the Gemma-3 model and how to work with Ollama and Hugging Face. If you want more videos about Gemma-3, let me know. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.